What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in the garage today. Took the Corvette out last night or yesterday, did a drive. It's been raining the past couple of days, so it's been just miserable outside, but today we are going to be installing some new wheels and tires, not on the Corvette, actually on the Mustang. Let me show you guys what we got. So let me just open this bad boy up. I did get these from Fitment Industries. Got some artisan wheels, and these are for my wife's car. This was actually part of her Christmas gift. She wanted some new set of wheels and tires, so got her some nice 275s artisan wheels, just nice all blacked out wheels, because we're still technically doing the stuff to the Mustang and it needs some love for sure. She has right now just some 235, some all-season tires on there. So these are some like, these are an upgrade. I forgot what I got. These are, I know what tires these are. I mean, they were like, these were like summer tires. They're definitely a upgrade from what she has on there now. What she has on there now, they're just like some all-season. So this will help out a lot though. But also for my wife, she's not really like, she's not gonna be doing anything crazy in it. So I think, I don't know, just getting her a square setup, all 275s, that would be good for her. So I'm gonna do this for her. Attempt to swap all the tires out today. Hopefully, it's been raining out. The ground's a little bit dry right now, so we see if we can get this done real quick. I don't know. I think I'm gonna probably. I did debate for myself for the Corvette. What should I do? I was gonna like save the money and just like keep running what the setup I have right now, because the setup I have right now, it's not bad. Yo, my rotors are getting rusty. I need to like. It's that's up on the Corvette. The tires are okay. They're not gonna last too much longer, but they're okay for what they're being used for right now. I do want to get black wheels as well. So many other people, they hate having the all blacked out look, but for me, that's what I want. I want to have all blacked out cars. I want to make sure like the Corvette's in like better shape, so maybe I won't do that. But without further ado, let's jack up the Mustang, get these tires, wheels and tires installed, and yeah, let's see how this thing looks.